guys, so dito na kami sa papuntang Sheraton dito sa may Tungchung. So yan, we just arrived and then there you go, my beshi Helen, she's waiting, stand by there. Yeah, and then now we going inside. Hello guys, that one is the Belmont. Now we're inside in the Sheraton Hotel Tungchung. So now we look around. Yeah, and then now walking lang kami. Ayan, papunta na kami din doon sa labas. So later on, yan, nakita namin ang aming beshi, si Gary Galang. Hello Gary, he's working in Cabana restaurant in Tungchung. So yan guys, sa baba lang ng Sheraton ang kanyang restaurant. Yan, he's working there. So sa wakas nakita kami. It's been long time na hindi kami nakita-kita ng aking beshi. There you go. Yeah, so we are exciting to talk with him. Yes, see you guys. Nandito na tayo. Hello! Hi! Ayan na. Take photos na sila. Thank you. Happy birthday, Bangga! Late na kami. Yan. Sila. Nandyan na sila, guys. Hi, Ka! Hi, Bruce! Happy birthday for you! Joke! I'm late because just finished my work. Yeah. Oo, sorry. Just finished work kasi. So, saan tayo? Happy birthday kay Gina. Diyos ko, may uba ako. Dumating, nagkasakit. Ano ba yan? So, how's your trip? Oh, yan na. Okay, one more day. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan?
One more. Picture and videos. Okay. Okay, one more. Okay, picture and vlog. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay, say happy birthday to 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Magulo yung uli. At least nakarating. Oo. Yes guys, so dito na tayo. We start na. Yan na. Cheers, Bangga!
Ay, dito na pala.
Oh no.
Hi.
No, I have to worldwide.
Yes. Yan.
I took you to the subject of best and draft. Best and draft.
Oh, this is great.
Thank you. Alay. Yan may tubig ko siya. Yan may tubig ko
Alright.
So unless you had a proof of
Yes, yan na sila. Hindi na ako makapagsalita. Abang inaantay natin yung ating food. Yes. Yan, inaantay ko pa yung ko. Wala kasi itong rotate. Small one.
Cheers tayo.
Cheers. Nasaan yung straw mo? Para naman tayong bata nito, parang gatas. Para magpapadede pa tayo. Pero pa namang laman dede natin. Tapos iba pala dede, matanda. Oy, nag-i-imagine ka ka? Dadagdag ka pa yung gatas ko. Cheers!
Alay. years lang.
Okay, cheers, cheers. Cheers!
Not feeling well, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So we can drink.
This one only for girl. For woman, it's not for man. Okay, Nan. Wow, ganda ng ating Nan. Okay, start. Bukan na natin. Okay, go, 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 go. Oo, na-picture na na.
Yeah, of course. Fountain. One, buy one.
Okay, cheers.
Ano ba yan? Biryani, biryani.
Hold na. Biryani masarap. Kasi bagong luto. Yung mga ino-order ko, darating na, hindi na ganito kasarap. 110 lang. Chicken biryani. Gusto mo i-order kita ng ganyan saan? 60 lang. Right, okay, there you go. Okay. So, dito po tayo sa Benizers. Benizers, yan. There you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy Another year. Blessing. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Birthday
To you.
Ay, lamang ulit dito!
Wala tayo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gina. I wish you all the best and good health. Love you, mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay.
Another new year.
New Year.
Birthday. Another great life ahead.
Ayan na, ayan na. Oh, naka-record na yan. Oh, record na yan.
Okay lang. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Say heart!
Ay, kayo!
Heart!
Mamaya na! Sila muna!
Okay.
O, sino ba? 1! Smile! One, two.
Okay, blessing down. Okay, third, blessing down. best in the... Okay, choose second place.
Anyway, no problem, no problem.
Okay, second runner-up. Yan, take runner-up. The best one. Wow, bakit nakuha agad yung the best? Yung the best. Ay, dapat na si Ann ang makuha. Grabe. The best one. Yung may puting collar. The best! Oh, kaya sino manalo? The best one. Wait! Girls, magtingin sila kung sino ang the best. Best gown. Yun, ang the best gown. Ayan, hindi na alam kung sino choose niya. The best gown. Best one. Sige, go. Punta ka dun sa harap. Mahiya na. Hindi niya na alam kung sino choose. Yung pangalawa na lang. Oh. Turn around!
First up!
Paano yan? Dalawa daw yung nagustuhan niya. Dalawa!
Nabasa na!
Salawaan! Dalawa gusto! Dalawa! O sige, pwede yun. Dalawa. Sa puso mo, anong gusto mo? Aba, nahihirapan ng judges. Guys, nahihirapan ng judges kung sino pipiliin. Ang judges nahihirapan, dahil.
The jury. Spread the love.
Guys, pinag-uusapan na kung sino mananalo. Pinag-uusapan na kung sino manalo. Oh, ayan, nakapili na kung sino ang, ano. Hey, the winner is...
This one, kasi my birthday, sabi niya, dress kasi. Dalawa kasi yung gusto ko. Ang dress. Naka-dress.
The winner is... Yay! Loida! Winner! Best in gown? Best in dress? Yes! Thank you! Okay! The winner is Loida! Ayaw niya sumali pero siya pala ang nanalo. Oh.
Kasi maganda naman kasi damit yan. Maganda yung damit ni Kasya na lang. Kaso lang, nalilito si ano?
Anyway, she's still the winner in your heart. Okay guys, so dito na nagtatapos ang birthday party. Thank you so much guys for coming and inviting. Thank you. Ayan. Yeah, I wanna end now my vlog guys for another birthday of my Bessie. Thank you so much. Have good night, everyone. Dito naman. Okay, guys, thank you. Say, okay, bye to my vlog. Thank you. O, yan, busy na sila. Bye. Oh, Lyda. Thank you, Lyda. You are the winner. Thank you, guys. Mwah. Okay. Aking vlogger si Beth. Hi. Hi. Happy birthday. Bye. Beth TV. Annie. Yes. Okay, bye, ciao. God bless everyone. All right. Yan. Goodbye na tayo. Bye. Okay, ano pala wish mo kay ano?
Good luck, best, and good luck for the future, and be happy all the time.
Ciao.